I'm so excited! Okay, y'all, I'm so stinking excited, and I had to do a little video. I have been wanting a Rouge palette from Jeanne Damas by her company Rouge for a very long time, for like 5 or 6 months now, and I finally ordered it. They went out of stock, and it finally came in. Oh my gosh! So today is an unboxing video and also some swatches. I am so excited. Also, my nose is like really red. Not exactly sure why, but I guess now it'll match the awesome lip palette I'm about to show you. Great angle. So here is the box. Oh, I'm opening it the wrong way. Aesthetic. More tape. That's so anticlimactic. The first thing you see is this adorable little paper thing. It's a cute little envelope. Feels like a love letter. Okay. Aww. Okay, so it comes in this cute little box right here. She's all beautiful and gold and shiny. Here she is. This is a very special moment for me. Okay, let's do this. I love that it just feels like a classic everyday red. It goes on very easily, a little bit goes a long way. My lips feel soft and smooth. It has a very matte-esque pigment. It doesn't feel like sticky or like it's gonna move around everywhere. It melts into your complexion. I feel like it blends so well into the skin. This color, I love it so much. Next up, we have color number 2. It's more of a natural vibe. It definitely has more brownish tones in there, and I love that it just feels like a great way to complement a natural look. I also really love pairing it with the other colors, especially the red, to kind of either darken the tone or make the tone a little bit like more of a subtle color. Also, random shout out to Dove soap. I've been using their bar to wash my lips because I don't have makeup remover right now, and it has been working so well. So Dove, bravo, shout out to you. Next we have color 3. Number 3 is definitely a burgundy vibe. This entire palette just works for any occasion, every occasion. You have the light, more subtle nude tones. You have the bright, lively red and fun. Then you go into your darker colors for more evening. It feels like it just works for everything. This tiny little square box right here has the perfect lipsticks for every occasion, and I love it. Our final color, color number 4, is this beauty right here. This last color is more purple and kind of plum. It's definitely the darkest of all the colors, definitely the most purple of all the colors. The Rouge palette really embraces and enhances your lips, and I love that my lips look like my lips, just with more color. I also loved the shipping. The shipping only took about a week to get to my house from Paris all the way to here in San Diego, California. It only took about a week. They like texted me and everything, the shipping company did. When it arrived, it was all super professional, so that was super great as well. So now the only things that I don't like is, first of all, that their box is plastic. It's not metal. It's nice, like sturdy plastic. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic, but it's plastic nonetheless. Metal just feels classier, it feels more expensive, and so because the palette is about $50, I do wish the palette was metal. And the other only thing that I would have to say that I wished was different, maybe it's just because I'm American and I'm used to the American companies doing this. Companies like Glossier like to package their product and they send it with either stickers, they send it with sparkles, or they send it with like a note, or they just kind of personalize the opening experience. It feels more like a ceremony, it feels more like a thank you so much for buying our product. It just feels more special. Otherwise, I completely love the lip palette. J'adore, c'est très belle et magnifique. Merci beaucoup to all of you who watched my video today, and I am so thankful for this beautiful community that we have, and y'all are so supportive. If you would like to see more of this content, don't forget me to give a thumbs up so that I know, and also subscribe if you want to join the fam that we got going on here. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Bye! Mwah.